5 seconds to go. Start. All the persons so summoned shall be bound to attend in person or through authorized agents, as such officer may direct, and shall be bound to state the truth upon any subject respecting which they are examined, or make statements and produce such documents as may be required. Every proceeding under subsections 2 and 3 shall be deemed to be a judicial proceeding within the meaning of section 193 and section 228 of the Indian Penal Code 45 of 1860, subject to any rules made in this behalf by the central government. Any officer referred to in subsection 2 may impound and retain in his custody for such period as he thinks fit any records produced before him in any proceedings under this Act, provided that an assistant director or a deputy director shall not impound any records without recording his reasons for so doing, or retain in his custody any such records for a period exceeding 3 months without obtaining the previous approval of the director. The authorities shall exercise all or any of the powers and perform all or any of the functions conferred on or assigned, as the case may be, to such authorities by or under this Act, or the rules framed thereunder in accordance with such directions as the central government may issue for the exercise of powers and performance of the functions by all or any of the authorities. In issuing the directions or orders referred to in subsection 1, the central government may have regard to any one or more of the following criteria, namely, any person wilfully and maliciously giving false information and so causing an arrest or a search to be made under this Act shall, on conviction, be liable for imprisonment for a term which may extend to 2 years, or with fine which may extend to 50,000 rupees, or both. Being legally bound to state the truth of any matter relating to an offence under section 3, refuses to answer any question put to him by an authority in the exercise of its powers under this Act, refuses to sign any statement made by him in the course of any proceedings under this Act which an authority may legally require to sign, to whom a summons is issued under section 50, either to attend, to give evidence, or produce books of account or other documents at a certain place and time, omits to attend or produce books of account or documents at the place or time, he shall pay by way of penalty a sum which shall not be less than 500 rupees, but which may extend to 10,000 rupees for each such default or failure. No order under this section shall be passed by an authority referred to in subsection 2 unless the person on whom the penalty is proposed to be imposed is given an opportunity of being heard in the matter by such authority. Notwithstanding anything contained in clause C of subsection 2, a person who intentionally disobeys any direction issued under section 50 shall also be liable to be proceeded against under section 174 of the Indian Penal Code 45 of 1860. Stop.